Hello friends, my name is Abhishek Nandakumar Chavan. Today is 15th May 2022. Our today's Fiber topic is string pool, that is SCP, string constant pool. So what is string constant pool? String pool is nothing but a storage area in heap, Java heap where string literal stores it is string uh, constant pool, that is SCP. It's just like object allocation. By default, it is empty and privately maintained by the Java string class. Whenever we create a string, the string object occupies some space in the heap memory. Memory uh, Creating a number of strings may increase the cost and memory, to which may reduce the performance also. The Java perform some steps during the initialization of string literals that increase the performance of and decrease the memory load. To decrease the number of strings object created in the JVM, the string class keeps a pool of strings. So, uh, how we create string in Java? There are two ways to create string in Java. First is using string literal and second is using new keyword. These two are two methods used to create string in Java. Java string intern method is also available in SCP. So what is Java string intern method? The string intern method puts the string in the string pool or refers to another string object from the string pool having the same value. There are some points that we have to remember. There are some points that we have to must remember about string that are dealing with when we have to dealing with string in Java. There are some important points. First is string is immutable in Java. Second point is all strings are stored in the Java string pool that is allocated in the string heap. Heap memory is present in there, so the data stored in string pool in allocated in heap memory. Next is string pool is an implementation of string interning concept. String interning is a method that stores only a copy of each distinct string literal. The distinct values are stored in the string pool. String pool is an example of the flyweight design pattern. So SCP is one of the most important concept in Java. First, it is present in heap memory. There is one location. Uh, there is heap memory store. It doesn't copy data or any data members as it is, but it copies the address of that data members. When user want to access some data from the SCP, it gives address of that data or that values the address of that values uh, to the user and helps to find that data. So it doesn't directly access all data in storage. It accesses only address of that data or storage. uh, there is SCP is present in heap memory. There is some validations for the data in SCP. So we will cover various important points in string pool concept, that is SCP. Thank you. This is all about SCP.